Hello everyone, and today I have a great trick for you students. So if you put your answer on Chegg and when you click on full solution, it blurs the answer, and then when you click on see answer, it asks you to sign in, and after you complete signing in, it then asks you to pay a premium. So what you need to do is you need to go back first and then open up a new tab, search here quizlet.com, and here you just need to copy your question, go to the Quizlet website, paste your question right here, press enter, and here you'll see the answers of the question. You just need to sign into this website. It's totally free, way better than Chegg because it doesn't ask you to pay a premium fee. So that is it guys for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.